1. Oysters plus pumpkin seeds both are very high in zinc, which may increase testosterone, sperm motility and sperm count. 2. Oranges contain lots of vitamin C, and studies have proved it improves sperm motility, count, and morphology. Other foods that contain vitamin C include tomatoes, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and cabbage. 3. Dark leafy vegetables. The folate, also known as vitamin B in spinach, romaine lettuce, Brussels sprouts, and asparagus can help produce strong, healthy sperm. 4. Dark chocolate contains arginine, an amino acid that can improve sperm count and quality over time. 5. Salmon plus sardines. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish and seafood, especially salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, and sardines, helps improve quality and quantity of sperm. 6. Pomegranate juice. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice may improve testosterone levels. 7. Brazil nuts. The selenium found in Brazilian nuts can help increase sperm count, sperm shape, and sperm motility. 8. Water. Staying hydrated helps create good seminal fluid. And while you're adding these rich,